What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to yet another trading education video. Now, I am a little bit ill, so if you see me touching my nose, it's because of that. But I did a video yesterday about RSI divergences, which in general I think is a great indicator to spot when some sort of a turnaround happens. All right, so not necessarily a reversal, but at least a turnaround. That can also be short term and then it's not a turn, then it's not a reversal. All right, a reversal is from an uptrend to a downtrend, and you can have some great long trades. You can buy in a downtrend and still make some good money using those divergences. All right, so that's what we covered yesterday. Now, I would highly encourage you to check out that video. I think it's very valuable. But I also wanted to do another trading education video, which I think is very similar. And personally, and if you watch a lot of my videos, you also know this, I actually, in this video, will talk about another divergence, which is between the price and the open interest. And I think in a lot of cases, you can actually use those two together, all right? So that's why I think the video yesterday and the video today combined can actually be very valuable, all right? Because yesterday, the main divergence that we checked out is the relative strength index and the price. So if there's a divergence, that basically means that the price is still going up when the relative strength drops down. And the same kind of applies with the price and open interest. Now, if you don't know what open interest is, first of all, if you want to have that on your chart, what you should go is go to coinglass.com. All right, so here you can see their main website. If you check that out, so let me quickly do that right here. So here you can also see the name at the top, right there. If you go to that website, coinglass.com, and you go to supercharts here at the top, all the way to the right, and then to supercharts, then you can add aggregated open interest in candles to your chart. And open interest is basically the amount of money in open positions. All right. So if I open a long that's worth $1,000, then the open interest goes up by $1,000. If I close that long, then it drops down by $1,000. All right, so it's the total amount, either in number of contracts or in total money in general, that's opened. So what I use open interest for a lot of the times is momentum. All right, the momentum behind a crypto is much higher when more money is being put into that crypto, right? If a crypto has momentum, then more people are putting money or at least trading that crypto. I would say that's in general that works. All right, so just believe me, and it also theoretically I think it makes sense. So another divergence you can look at, and you can already see one on the chart right now. And for those of you who don't know, but a divergence is basically when you have two different things. So with trading, it's always price and then some sort of an indicator. And a divergence is where the price is going up, for example, but the indicator is going down. The price is making higher highs. The indicator is making lower highs. Or the price is making lower lows, and the indicator is making higher highs. That's also a divergence, and these are bullish these are not bullish divergences, excuse me. But the divergence means something. That means that there's an imbalance. The price is doing one thing, but something else is showing a different thing. And with open interest, the thing is that, and it especially works if the price is going up and the open interest is going down. Because what that means theoretically is that the price is still making higher highs, but there's not enough, or the momentum, well, there is enough momentum to bring up the price because the price goes up. But the momentum is dropping down. So there's an imbalance, all right? There's less momentum in a crypto, in the price, and the price is still moving up. So very often, and it's the same as with the divergence we talked about yesterday, but very often you need other indicators with that as well. So for example, if this happens, if the price makes higher highs while the momentum drops down, so the open interest makes lower lows, and we are at a resistance level, it works more often than if we are at support, for example. Because just this divergence alone will not make you profitable. It is a tool that you can use to help you in your decision making. All right, so for example, what you can see, this example is Ondo, almost have to cough, and you can see that we were making higher highs right here, and you can actually see what's good. Look, you need 2 points at least, so one top and then another top, and then with the Open interest, the same thing. So one top and then another top to draw a line. Otherwise you cannot draw a line. If you have 3 tops and then 3 tops for both the price and the open interest. All right, there I'm back. So if you have 3 points, that's stronger. All right, that's also what you call a 3 drive pattern, where the price is basically making a higher high, higher high, higher high, and the open interest is making a lower high, lower high, lower high. That means that continually the price is still going up, even though the momentum is dropping down. And that's a reversal pattern, all right? So in this case, Ondo is making higher highs, but the open interest, so the amount of dollars in open positions, is making lower highs. That's a bearish divergence. So then it's more likely, at least, that we're going to drop down. Now, let me see if I can find some more examples. That would be great. So maybe Lido DAO is doing quite well right now. But like I said, you really need to look for examples, because this will not always work. All right. So for example, here you can also see that there's not even really a divergence. The price goes up and the open interest goes up. That's what you want to see. And even though that's what you want to see, we still reversed. So it's not that this always works 100% of the time. It's that this is a valuable tool that can help you. All right. In the end, you need more confirmations. You need more confirmations than just one. But it does help. So here you can also see Ordi is making higher highs, both in the open interest and in the price, still reversed. So there's no divergence. You can still reverse. Maybe Pepe is actually a good example. Otherwise, I will cut out the video and I will look for another example to show you. So here you can see, no, all right, this is also not a good example. I'll be back in a moment. All right, so I have another example, which is Chainlink, where you can see the same phenomenon. You can see the open interest down here, and then the price up here. You can see that the price is continuously making higher highs right here, which is great. But then at the same point of time, especially from this top right here, you can see that the open interest is making lower highs. And especially the divergence is right here between this top right here and this top. Price is going up, momentum is going down. That's a reversal pattern, which in this case was also true. So that's another divergence I think you can use in your trading, in your strategies. Like I said, you need to add this up with other things you use, but in general, very valuable. And it also makes you understand the price movements for cryptos a bit better. Now, if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments as always. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.